Let's talk about how to learn algebra in general. There's really three key things that we're going to go over for how to learn algebra in general. First, you have to realize that algebra is not this sort of amorphous concept that you have to tap into. All algebra really is doing is modeling what our brains already do. So when you get that, it kind of becomes easier. Like if I say, take a number and double it, and I say, okay, how about 5? You do 5 times 2, and that's 10. That's algebra, because we say take a number and double it. So x is a variable which represents any number. So, and I say double it, it means times it by 2. So take a number and double it. That's something you could have done before you ever heard the word algebra, and yet that's algebra. So that's the first thing, is don't be intimidated. Second thing is that if you have an algebraic expression and you want to solve it, to solve it, it means get the variable alone, isolate the variable. The way we're going to do that is by eliminating everything that's near the variable. Okay? So in this case, we're going to take the 3 away and then take the 2 away. The way you do that is you do the opposite of whatever you've got. If you've got plus 3, you're going to subtract 3. That's rule number 2, is do the opposite. Rule number 3, whatever you do to one side, you have to do the other. If you follow these 3 rules, don't be intimidated. To get rid of a number, to eliminate it, do the opposite. Whatever you do to one side, do to the other. If you follow these 3 rules, algebra is not so bad. So we're going to subtract 3 from both sides. That cancels. It's why we did it. 9 minus 3 is 6. Now we have 2 times x, and we want to eliminate that. The opposite of times is divide. So we're going to divide both sides by 2. Why do we do that? Because 2 over 2 cancels. 2 over 2 is 1. So we have 1x, or just x now. That's why we did it. Equals, and whatever we did to this side, we had to do to this side. 6 divided by 2, 3. So 2x plus 3 solved is x equals 3. Sorry, 2x plus 3 equals 9 solved is x equals 3.